She said it's 7:40. I literally just woke up and I'm about to be late to work. I have about 10 minutes. Literally just threw stuff on and I'm gonna go brush my teeth and wash my face and then I will be back and we're gonna see how fast we can get ready. Let's have 5 minutes to get ready, so let's see what we can do in about 5 minutes. Oh, cinematic! Today we are nannying from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. And I'm already tired! But we have an energy drink. So, see y'all in a little bit. We're seeing airplanes. I have my little one with me. Right here. He's in the stroller because he likes just looking at the airplane, so I let him. There's a deer. Do you see it? We're currently on our walk back home now. I'm honestly a little bit tired, but I'm a lot more awake than I was. What is my hair doing? My bangs are just not working with me. Now we're taking the puppy dog outside. I have my Alani again because I need energy. We have lunch and we're back on our way to the airport. My phone is very blurry. We're at the airport and I just got accepted into Paul Mitchell. We are at the bank now and we are pulling out more money because it needs to go to my jar. If my card will work. Is my card gonna work? It's working! They don't give out hundreds here for some reason. I'm not sure why. My account is making me so happy. There's mainly 20s and 50s in here. And I'm very proud of myself because I'm showing myself that I can actually save money. But it's okay. It's a little bit sad that it has to be out of my account in order for me to save it and not spend it. But you know what? This is where it starts. This is where it starts. So yeah, I need extensions back in this hair. I am not very proud of what I'm about to say, but I am going to put tape-ins back in my hair. I don't really like tape-ins that much, but they're my shortest ones. And I just like, I want my hair like this long, but that's not happening with my natural hair. I've literally just cut my natural hair like this, if y'all haven't been able to tell, since I took out my extensions. And I think I just want it to be a little bit longer because, yeah, okay, you know what? I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna do it. Also, just by the way, whenever I look this way, like, I'm watching something. My TV is literally right there. It's just in the corner because I used to have a little gaming setup right here to where I could like sit like this and then play and watch like at the exact same time. That is literally it. I'm also going to shower literally right after I put in my extensions. I'm not doing my hair wet. My hair has already been washed, but
from the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about.
and my hair is back to being longer. It's a little bit longer than I wanted it, but there's layers. I haven't brushed it yet, so we do have to do the brush test with the tape ends because the butterfly weft I know is staying in. But I also cut them for the extensions to like blend. I haven't done this in a minute. So, oh my gosh, this feels so much better than it did yesterday. I think I'm gonna give it all like a slight little curl, and then that'll be it for my hair today. I think I need to add a couple more layers, or not layers, framing, because this is working. This is not. It's curled enough, but this side looks tremendously shorter than the other one, even though they're literally the same lengths. Just these curls have already fallen a little bit more than these ones. But this is a hair. It is thinner than normal because there's only technically 2 rows of extensions. So there's 2, and then 2, and then 2. But the first one, there's like this one, and then this one, and then there's one that goes in a U, and then there's one at the bottom. Dow. This is gonna be reused a couple of times in this video, but I am with my cousin at this point in the video, but he does not want to be in it, and I'm gonna respect that. So, it may just jump around from here on out, just by the way. Don't worry, it's just on me. I think he may actually be peeing now. I had a very eventful day, and some of my hair is also coming out. I have a piece in my car, and I have a piece right here that I took out while I was talking to my cousin. For watching Pirates of the Caribbean. Caribbean, as he said, but he just came in with a knife. I don't know. I'm so scared. He went in the bathroom and came. Are you back with an? I'm still with my cousin, and he put my dooryard on the ground. Don't put it on. And we're home, besties. But I already washed my face and brushed my teeth, so now it is time for bed. Good night.